Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's retirement plan loan provision. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's retirement plan loan provision, this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You could choose to log into your Fidelity account online on the Fidelity website, or you could choose to do so on the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, just click on retirement, and then you want to select retirement plan loans. Once you're there, you can browse the retirement plan loan provision, and you can use the provision to take a loan from your retirement plan. You can repay the loan according to the terms, and you can also monitor the loan activities and use the provision to manage your retirement plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's retirement plan loan provision. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next